Did you know? The speed of light isn't just fast, it's fundamental. What if, one day, it changed? What if light no longer traveled at 299,792,458 meters per second, but slowed down? Or sped up? How would that impact time, space, gravity, and you? Because when the speed of light changes, everything else does too. We take it for granted, the speed of light is constant. But what if it isn't? Some theories suggest it wasn't always the same. What if it slowed down in the early universe, or could change again? Today we explore what happens when the ultimate speed limit is rewritten. From physics to biology, communication to cosmology, let's find out what collapses and what evolves. The speed of light, 299,792,458 meters per second, isn't just a fast number. It's the cosmic speed limit. It defines how fast causality moves, how quickly cause becomes effect. It determines how we see stars, measure time, and even how GPS works. But unlike a highway sign, this limit isn't posted. It's built into the structure of the universe. Let's say the speed of light dropped by half. What would happen? Your phone would lag, not because of data, but because light moves slower inside circuits. Satellites would lose sync. GPS would go haywire. Vision itself could blur. Communication? Delayed. Everywhere. Even time would warp. Because in relativity, slower light means stronger gravity and longer time dilation. The universe would stretch and bend in strange new ways. Now flip it. Imagine light suddenly doubled in speed. Photons blaze across the cosmos like bullets. Vision sharpens. Communication becomes instant. But clocks would shift. Distances would shrink. Relativity, the theory Einstein built, would need a rewrite. Why? Because everything in physics is scaled to the speed of light. Change that constant, and you break every formula we use to understand reality. If the speed of light changed, so would mass and energy. Remember Einstein's famous equation? E equals mc squared. If c, the speed of light, changes, so does energy. So does mass. Atoms wouldn't hold together the same way. Stars might collapse or never form. Black holes could evaporate or become unstable. Even time could move at a different rate. A different light speed means a different timeline of the universe. Here's a twist. Some scientists believe the speed of light was different in the early universe. It might have been faster, much faster, during the first milliseconds after the Big Bang. Why? To explain why distant parts of the universe look similar, even though light shouldn't have reached them yet. It's called variable speed of light theory, and though it's controversial, it's gaining interest. Maybe the universe was built to evolve. If the speed of light changed today, we'd feel it instantly. Screens might flicker strangely. Lasers, fiber optics, even light bulbs would misbehave. Color perception could shift. Our bodies, evolved for a specific light speed, might experience strange biological glitches. Even your heartbeat, tuned to signals moving at light speed in your nerves, could falter. And worse, telescopes peering into space would see the past rewritten. Is this just science fiction? Mostly, yes. But not entirely. In some advanced theories, especially those dealing with higher dimensions, string theory, or quantum gravity, constants like c might emerge from deeper laws. Meaning, it could shift. Not often. Not easily. But maybe. Under extreme cosmic conditions. And if that happens, the universe as we know it hits reset. What happens when the speed of light changes? Everything. From time, to space, to matter itself, this one number controls it all. It's not just fast. It's foundational. So next time you see a beam of light, remember, it's more than brightness. It's the glue of existence. And if that ever changes, we'll all feel it. Until next time, keep questioning the constants. And never stop asking, what if?